Kaugnay pa rin sa balitang yan, ayon kay Deputy Presidential Spokesperson Abigail Valte, ang pagdetene sa mga peacekeepers ay paglabag sa international laws. Kaugnay nito, nanawagan na ang palasyo sa mga kinaukulang pinuno at maging sa United Nations Security Council. Ito'y upang tiyakin ang kaligtasan at madali ang kaya sa 4 na Pinoy.
We join the condemnation of the abduction of the 4 Filipino peacekeepers, I understand, in Golan Heights, the same area where the first batch was previously abducted. And we would like to underscore that the detention of not just because they're Filipino, but of peacekeepers in general are against international laws. We have called upon the stakeholders and as well as the UN Security Council to make sure and to secure the immediate release and to ensure the safety